everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to review a new product that claims to transform your dishwashing routine. The Finish Powerball Quantum all-in-one lemon sparkle dishwashing tablet. This is it, guys. This is the product that we're going to review. If you are like me, juggling family life and a busy schedule, you know how important it is to have a dishwasher you can rely on. But how well do these tablets really work? Let's find out today. So guys, first off, let's talk about the packaging of the product and the presentation. The tablets come in a resealable packaging. So this is a resealable packaging right here, and which locks the freshness of the tablets. Each tablet is pre-measured and wrapped into like a plastic, which means no messy powder, no liquid to deal with. The lemon sparkle scent gives off a fresh, clean vibe even before you use it. So this dishwash tablet has like a built-in pre-soak action, cuts through the grease and baked on food, leaves the dishes with a brilliant shine as well. Now the real test, what is going to happen is basically I'm going to load my dishwasher with a mix of challenges like grease, baked on food and fragile plates, fragile glasses. I'm going to use one of these dishwashing tablets to like clean the dishes. So we are going to see the end result of this soon. So before we get to that, let's check out the entire packaging, right guys? So first off, we can see the Finish branding right here. The Finish branding is here. Finish Powerball Quantum all-in-one is written right here. It says save water, no pre-rinse is needed. You directly put the dishes into the dishwasher without rinsing them. Lemon sparkle is the aroma or the scent of it. You get 27 tabs in this pack. That provides a deep clean and a sparkling shine to your vessels. This is a recyclable packaging that is being used. Moving on to the back of the pack, again it says Finish Quantum all-in-one right on the top. It's Finish Quantum all-in-one for deep clean and sparkling shine. First time, every time. Its compact 3-chamber chemistry is effective at breaking down all types of food residues, even without pre-rinsing. With 25% less chemical weight than Finish's traditional pressed powder tablets. Boost your dishwashing experience. Rinse aid. So what all does it have? Rinse aid. So what are the products that Finish has? Finish has rinse aid for drying and brilliant shine. It also has a machine cleaner as a product which provides deep cleaning, cleans hidden pipes for hygienical clean dishwasher, and also has like salt which provides which fights against the limescale deposit and white marks from hard water. So these are the other products which are available. Finish Quantum Powerball Quantum all-in-one is like the #1 recommended product by multiple brands like Beko, Blomberg, Bosch, Grundig, Hisense, Neff, Siemens and Smeg. What we have next here is free from added preservatives for cleaning and shine. Oxygen-based bleaching agents releases active oxygen to remove stains. Non-ionic surfactants cuts grease and boosts shine. Enzymes breaks down protein and starch-based stains. For care and protection, dishes and machines. Phosphonate enhances shine. Polycarbonate carboxylates softens the water. Helpers perfume boost for freshness. Colorant gives color to the tablet. And polyvinyl alcohol biodegradable water soluble film. If you need more info on the ingredients and tips, visit rbeuroinfo.com. Yeah. Coming to the price of this packet, guys, I got this for rupees 599 on Amazon. I left a link in the description below so you all can check it out from there. Right? That's all the information available here. This is an imported product. So it's imported by Reckitt Benckiser India Private Limited. So let's go ahead and open the pack and check out the product inside. So guys, like I said, this is a resealable pack. So let's go ahead and open it first. I'm just going to take you in a place where you can tear it open. And then inside, there are these tablets available right here, which has the dishwasher powder, the rinse set liquid, and yeah, and we have a salts here. So this is how they come packaged in just 3 separate parts right here, and like this you have 27 different tablets inside that you get. So you'll get 27 washes with this, so 1 tablet for each wash. So now let's go ahead in the kitchen and let's insert the tablet and on the dishwasher and then check out how it turns out. So guys, now we are going to put this tablet into the dishwasher right here. So I'm just quickly going to open my Bosch dishwasher. And this is the place where the tablet goes. We are just going to press it and open it. And the tablet goes exactly as it is. You don't need to open it up or anything. You just place it anyhow inside this part and you just close it. Now we are just going to close the dishwasher. And we are going to start the cycle, washing cycle. Now I'm going to start this machine. So I always use a eco mode, and then I also use like a e-rinse and steam. So now I'm going to start the cycle. And then we'll see once it's done, how does it come out. So I'm on the machine right now. Let's wait for the cycle to end and then check out how it goes. So it's a 3.5 hour cycle that I've set it on. And let's see how the dishes come out post that.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so we are done with the wash cycle on the dishwasher, and you can see like hot steam coming out. The vessels are nice looking, really shiny and clean. Oh, it's very hot right now. Then you open it up. Very hot water. But you can see how shiny it looks. The vessels are looking very shiny. From here you can see the shine on the vessels, and they have come out very nice and shiny. You can see the wash quality is very well washed. I'm going to remove a vessel and show you all the shine on it, but it's a bit hot right now. Yeah, so you can see, I can actually see my face in it. That's how shiny the vessels have come out, like on both sides. So it comes out really very clean when you wash in a dishwasher. Even the plastic plates. The only thing that you need to make sure that the plastic plates that you use in a dishwasher are microwave safe plates. You can see these plates are very sticky, and the way they have come out is very nice. Here another thali. See here. It's all one of these bigger pots. So you can see how nice and clean they have come out. It's a bit hot to catch. I'll just keep it here, but you can see how clean they come out, like really nice and clean. All the things, all the food that was stuck on the side, everything is gone. It's nice and clean right now. You see this. This is a lid of the kadai. This is another lid of the kadai. A bit hard to catch. Now we'll check a few of the upper vessels also. How they have come. Oh, hot water is there in that. But these are the vessels that are kept on top. It's not like only down vessels are clean. In the vessels kept on top are clean. So you can see. This is how the glasses come out. So you can see, nice and clean. All tea was stuck in this glass. And now look at it. All shiny and nice. The pan which I put on top, that also has come out clean even when placed on top. Now let's look at the next layer, which is the cutlery, the spoons and the forks, and the best part is the chalnis that we use for tea. See how wonderfully clean they come out. Like there's no spot of tea leaves left in it. It's completely rinsed out, completely nice and clean. You can see this. And yeah. So very, very nice and clean they come out. Even the spatula I had put, a silicone spatula, that also has come out nice and clean. Even I had put down a scissor to wash, a kitchen scissor. Now I'll show you some big spoons. You see these spoons are also nice and clean. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.